Hello friends, welcome to linuxapp.com. In today's video, we are going to install Backdrop CMS on CentOS 7.6 using LAMP. Now let's see a short introduction about Backdrop CMS. Backdrop is a free and open source CMS that helps us to build websites for business and non-profits. You can easily create content by formatting text and uploading images. It serves page fast, even and administrators can create and edit content from phones and tablets. It is designed with robust security. And here I'm using CentOS 7.6. If you see the version of my Nginx, it is 1.13.0, MariaDB 10.3 and PHP 7.2. These are the required PHP models to install Backdrop CMS, and this is the download link to download the Backdrop CMS on CentOS 7.6. Now let's get to the terminal to start the installation of Backdrop CMS. Now I'm going to change my directory to the Nginx document directory, which is under user share Nginx HTML. So inside this HTML directory, I'm just going to download the Backdrop CMS using wget, and this is the link to download. Now I'm going to list the content inside this. A zip file is present. Now I'm just going to extract the zip file of Backdrop CMS. Now I'm just going to list the content. So if you see here, a new directory has been created after the extraction. Now I'm just going to give ownership and writable permissions to this Backdrop directory. Now I'm going to give writable permissions to this Backdrop directory. Now I'm going to change my directory to Backdrop. Now I'm going to list the contents. So if you see here, permissions and the owner has been changed. Now I'm just going to change my directory to the Nginx configuration file, which is under etc nginx conf.d. Now I'm going to create a virtual host for Backdrop CMS. So I insert this Backdrop configuration file. So if you see here, I have set port number as 80, and this is the server name that I have assigned for the Backdrop CMS, and this is the documented directory of Backdrop CMS, and I'm just going to save this file. Now I'm going to configure MariaDB for Backdrop CMS. So I'm logging to the MariaDB database using the root password. Enter the password that you have set for the root. I'm just going to create a database for Backdrop CMS. Now I'm going to change my database to Backdrop. Now I'm going to create a user for Backdrop CMS, and also I'm going to give the permissions to the user to access the Backdrop database, assigning a password for the B user. Now I'm going to flush the privileges to reload the permissions that we have done inside the MariaDB. I'm just going to exit from the MariaDB database. I'm just going to restart the PHP FPM. And I'm going to list the Nginx configuration file. And I'm going to list the service of Nginx. Open the browser, enter the URL as follows, hit enter, select the language and click on save and continue. Enter the database details that you have configured inside the MariaDB for Backdrop CMS, the password that you have assigned for the big user. Just click on save and continue. Backdrop CMS is getting installed. Now I'm just going to provide the admin credentials, provide the email ID, create a password for the admin's account, select the time zone. I'm just going to uncheck this and click on save and continue. Therefore, we have successfully installed Backdrop CMS 1.13.2 version on CentOS 7.6 using LAMP. That's all for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Linuxapp channel for more tutorials. Please visit www.linuxapp.com for support. Mail us to support@linuxapp.com.